In November 2021, American and Israeli intelligence spotted some suspicious activity about 300 kilometers away from Iran's capital, Tehran, in the barren deserts of Natanz. They noticed trucks, water towers, and construction machinery. This immediately alarmed the US, especially since Iran was caught building nuclear bombs at the same location earlier, leading to economic sanctions. But what's Iran really up to? They found out Iran is building a huge underground nuclear base. It is 100 meters wide and 500 meters deep. Inside, you'll find thousands of missiles and fighter jets, all are ready to launch. The International Atomic Energy Agency, IAEA, issued a warning that Iran could soon become a nuclear state. The US has been closely watching Iran since 2006, but even the CIA had no idea about this underground development until satellite images exposed it in 2021. Since then, global attention has been focused on Iran's underground activities. This hidden city is built so deep that it's protected against nuclear strikes and cyber attacks. In response, on January 26, 2023, the US and Israel launched one of their largest joint military exercises. They deployed their most powerful aircraft, like the F-35 and B-52, known as tunnel busters. The message to Iran was clear: if you can dig tunnels, we have the power to destroy them. But Iran wasn't bothered. Instead, they responded by unveiling their underground military base, Eagle 44, as if they were saying, "We're ready for whatever comes our way." This was a clear message to the US and Israel that Iran was prepared to retaliate if threatened. But what is Eagle 44? Eagle 44 isn't just any underground site. This base is hidden deep inside a limestone rock formation. It's built into solid rock, making it extremely tough to break through, even with the most advanced bunker-busting bombs. These tunnels are designed with multiple layers of protection, thick concrete walls, steel reinforcements, and blast doors that can withstand enormous impacts. Each layer adds another level of security, making this site one of the most fortified underground facilities in the world. Eagle 44 has multiple entrances leading to a 3-kilometer runway and is designed to accommodate both manned fighter jets and drones. This hybrid structure allows Iran to launch surprise attacks on US military assets, especially those associated with the Fifth Fleet in the Persian Gulf. They have powerful missiles hidden in this underground fortress. The most notable missile in Iran's arsenal is the Imad missile. This powerful weapon can reach targets up to 1,700 kilometers away, putting countries like Israel, Saudi Arabia, and even India within its range. What makes the Imad particularly dangerous is its precision. It's Iran's first guided missile, which means it can be controlled even after it's launched, ensuring it strikes its target accurately. With a payload capacity of over 750 kilograms, it's capable of carrying a nuclear warhead. But the Imad isn't the only threat. There's also the Simorgh missile, which is an intercontinental ballistic missile, ICBM, with an estimated range of 4,000 to 6,000 kilometers. This means it can reach Europe, the United States, and nearly any important target around the world. With this capability, Iran has become one of only 9 countries with such advanced missile technology. Iran is also looking at the possibility of using Russian Su-35 jets, but the problem is that these tunnels in the Eagle 44 base aren't wide enough to accommodate these larger aircraft. For now, the base is set up to operate older jets like the F-4 Phantoms and Su-24s. However, even with these older planes, armed with long-range missiles, Iran could launch a significant attack on US naval forces if tensions rise. Experts believe these Iranian bases might be as advanced as the US underground facilities, like the Cheyenne Mountain Complex. This American military base, situated 2,000 feet underground, is designed to withstand nuclear blasts. It features 3 floors and 15 buildings, covering 5 acres, ensuring both security and comfort for personnel. The Cheyenne Mountain Complex includes advanced communication systems, blast doors, and life support systems, allowing it to operate effectively, even in the event of a major attack. Such capabilities make it a formidable strategic asset, illustrating the lengths to which nations go to protect their military operations from potential threats. This underground development in Iran has put countries like the US and Israel on high alert. The tension between Iran and Israel has been strong since Iran's 1979 Islamic Revolution, which also hurt US-Iran relations. This conflict began when the US backed Iran's monarchy, led by Shah Mohammad Reza Pahlavi. After the monarchy was overthrown, the US supported Iraq during the Iran-Iraq War. In retaliation, Iran attacked a US base in Lebanon in 1983, killing over 300 American soldiers and making relations worse. In 2019, Iran shot down an American drone in the Strait of Hormuz and threatened to block this important shipping route, which carries 43% of US crude oil imports. This could have seriously hurt the US economy. Iran also sees Israel as a major enemy. This hostility started with the Islamic Revolution. To counter Israel, Iran has supported terrorist groups like Hamas. In 2014, Iran gave heavy weapons to Hamas, allowing them to fire over 4,000 rockets at Israel, causing significant damage. One of the most concerning aspects of this situation is Iran's underground military bases and missile launchers. The US didn't fully understand their scale until 2019. This secrecy keeps everyone in the dark about Iran's true military strength and plans. In short, Eagle 44 is Iran's way of safeguarding its air power and ensuring it's ready for action if a conflict arises. It's a crucial part of their strategy to challenge any foreign military presence in the region.